Hello students, welcome back to your maths class. Today we will discuss some practical problems based on set theory using Venn diagram. Students, let me clear you now here that you can solve the practical problems using Venn diagrams. You will get full marks, okay? So let me say there are 3 questions of your exercise 1.4. One by one we will take these. What is given there? If n a union b is given as 18, n a minus b is given as 5, and b minus a is equal to 3, then you have to find out n a intersection b. So student, using Venn diagram, how we will solve this? Let's see there. First of all, we will draw a Venn diagram here, just like this. Okay. Suppose this is universal set. Then two sets are given as a and b. So you can put here this as A and this as B. Okay. See here, A minus B is given as 5. It means this portion. A minus B means only A element belongs to A but not belongs to B. That portion is this one. I can use this one. This is NA minus B, and this portion is how much? 5. Okay. Similarly, NB minus B is given as this portion. NB minus A means those elements which are belonging to B only, not A. So this is equal to 3. This one is equal to 3. And then you have to find out the value of A intersection B. It means remaining portion. This portion is remained here, and this is A intersection B. You have to find out that. See student here, n A union B is given as 18. So you better know that from this figure or Venn diagram, you can see that n, since n A union B means those elements which are belonging to A only, B only, and intersection. A only, B only, and intersection. So A union B you can write here, and A minus B plus and A intersection B plus and B minus A. Means sum of these 3 portions I have shaded here. This plus this is equal to n A union B. So put the values here. You will get, see here, 18 is here, okay, NA and B, then NA minus B is given as 5, then plus NA intersection B, then plus NB minus A is given as 3. Therefore, NA intersection B will be equal to 18 minus 5 plus 3, 8. 8 will shift here. So you will get the value 10. So this is the required answer for NA intersection B, means those elements which belongs to both A and B. It means this will be your 10. Number of elements belongs to A intersection B is equal to 10. Similarly here, second problem B is your exercise question P7, 7th question. And number of elements in universal set are given as 48. And number of element in A complement union B complement is equal to 36. Then you have to find out the value of A intersection B. See students here, the solution of this P7. Actually, you better know that NA dash union B dash and A dash union B dash is equal to and A intersection B whole dash using De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law. Okay. So we have this formula, NA dash union B dash is equal to NA intersection. You will, this sign will reverse. If there is union, it becomes intersection and whole dash. It means the value of this is here, that is given as 36 Okay, and you know that complement, number of element in complement of any set is given as, so directly you can, without using Venn diagram, you can find out this as, means those elements which are except A intersection B, means outside this portion. Okay, so therefore an A intersection B will be equal to an universal set minus those elements which are outside A intersection B, that is represented by A intersection B whole complement, that is equal to 36. So you can put here n A intersection B whole dash, means number of element in any set is equal to number of element in universal set minus number of element in the complement of the set itself. So you will get the value here. N is already given as 48, and what value we got here, 36. Then the answer will be 12. Okay, so this is the answer for this one. So these are the basic problems, right? You can easily solve this using Venn diagram or directly using the formula. Okay, now we will discuss this third question. Okay.